Hello, welcome back to Wollof Kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my honey glazed garlic salmon. Let's start with the star of the show, which is the marinade. So here I'm adding some ginger, good amount of garlic, honey to give it that nice sweet balanced taste, lemon juice, some dark soy sauce to give that rich flavor, lastly chili flakes. Now give it a good mix. With these ingredients you are guaranteed to get a very tasty salmon dish. I'm using a paper towel to dry off any excess water after cleaning the fish. So now I'm just adding my marinade, and what I'm going to do, just make sure that every bit of salmon is covered, is put it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. On a medium heat I am melting some butter and I'm going to start cooking my salmon. So I'll place my salmon skin side up first. I'm going to be letting that cook for about a good 5 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over to the other side and cook it again for another 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your salmon. I'm adding the leftover marinade on top of the salmon, and it's going to give it that nice glazed look at the top, and it's going to make it juicy. Just look at that. It's just so tasty. This dish is going to be one that you will create over and over again. All the ingredients will be listed in the description bar below. So our salmon is nearly done. I'm just adding some slices of lemon in there, and I'm just going to let that just cook a bit more so I can get that caramelized sauce you can see here. Oh, okay, I'm ready to eat. I don't know about you, but we need to get this on a plate. Have this salmon with some rice, or you can have it with some couscous on the side, or even some grilled or boiled vegetables. If you would like to see more delicious, tasty recipes, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video as well. Thanks for watching.